Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, nothing can save Tesla stock. How low can we continue to go? Because as I have been doing my videos, 488, once we were there and we started to a little bit slip below that, I already told you that we are heading much lower. 470 was the next target, and after that was 439. Didn't I tell you all of that? We got all of that. Now, how did I know? How did I know we will see that? Because I'm just using my tools, guys. I'm just using my tools. If you need access to my tools, check out the details in the description of this video. So in this video, as we'll go through, we'll look at the price action. We'll take a look at as if this next level, which we'll talk about in just a second, if we lose that, how low can we continue? What are the next zones to watch possibly going down there? And what can make Tesla bullish if something can here? So with that, please also note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Okay, so we have Tesla over here, and as I have said before, 488 below, consider this thing as weakening. Now, really quickly, let's turn on my another tool over here. We are still in the bearish structure, and with this being turned on, let's get to the hourly interval. So hourly interval, as it was showing us some rebound on the last trading day, that was Wednesday. I already said it's just a rebound, guys, a little bit. We'll see how much strength or teeth it has, but don't expect much. We are still below the cloud, and today also you can see when the market opened, we are still in that bearish structure. So if we started to take the short play before, once we started to lose the cloud, and this is how I know what zones I tell you, what I tell you about the price action, my tools tells me, all right, and I tell you here in the videos. So but if you want to have real-time access to all this information on multiple stocks, not just Tesla, my tools works on all the stocks, on all the intervals. You will also receive onboarding videos. If you know how to use the tools and you want to use the tools, check out the details in the description of this video. There's a membership on my Patreon for trading tools. You can join that. If you join yearly, there's a discount as well for you. So don't trade blindly, guys. Trade with the proper tools so that you become profitable trader. Okay, these tools are built by me, by the way, as I have said previously also, and these concepts have made me profitable over the course of years, and on those bases I have built these tools. So again, it's your choice. Okay, so we are still bearish, and also on the 5 minutes interval, and for the day trade also, let's turn on this tool again. I just have a habit of switching it off before going to the next interval. You don't have to, you can just go to interval, and it's just gonna, if you have it turned on once, it's just gonna stay turned on. You can, I'm just, I have a habit of doing it other way. So market opened, red structure already before market open, just in first 5 minutes below the cloud. And you can see we have been bearish, got to our next zone of 438, 439 that I have been saying. We are seeing some rebound possibly building up, but hey, we are below the cloud. Our move for the day was a short play on Tesla. We made the money, we are out, and after making the money, I'm doing this video. Okay, so because I trade also in the morning and I use my tools. Okay, so once I made my short money today on Tesla, I'm like, okay, it's time to do the video. All right, so anyhow, so we are still a little bit trying to rebound, but I'm not playing this trade on the rebound. Because why? Because my bias was bearish for the day below the cloud. That was the money making game. And now, yeah, rebound, if it happens, it happens, but I'm happy with the money I made, right? So now here, where can we continue to go? Because we have gotten to that zone that I have said at previously, 438 is where we are heading. We have gotten there. Now nothing is bullish on Tesla. We are still bearish, and in a day or two, nothing will make Tesla bullish. In the overnight session, not just Tesla, many other stocks, including crypto, were very high. Tesla was like at $12 up. So in the positive, crypto is the only one that has held its gains after overnight session. It's at 90,000 plus. I might do another video on that. But then, and also some semiconductors have pulled through their gains today, but not the Tesla. Okay, so, and many other stocks haven't pulled through any gains. We are seeing tech stocks in a red, quite a red today. But anyways, that's for another thing. Or on my Patreon, I will be posting update, which I do on the weekly basis on many stocks. All right. So here we are below. As we lose 438, we have a caution because 438 on the weekly interval is where weekly interval is still showing us some strength to the upside, but we are in the pullback. But daily interval is showing still the weakness. Pullback will not mark complete on weekly interval until daily interval starts to show us some strength. Okay, daily interval has to happen for the weekly. So right now we are, once as we start to lose 438, 412 previously as I've said, and then 374. 374 is very likely possibility if we start to close a week below 438. Very likely possibility 374, 356. I have another tool that is the options tool that tells you on writing covered calls and cash secured puts for at a for weekly basis. That helps you to make some extra premium money as well. I have that tool as well. So again, your choice. If you want to join the membership, you will get access to my 4 tools to make you profitable trader. All right, so let's get to the daily interval again. And anyhow, I would be on my long-term side, not for the trade side, but the long-term portfolio. I'm a little bit look to nimble into a position for the long term around 372 if we get there. Otherwise, no, I'm just gonna keep trading Tesla as day or multi-day and swing trade. It's not a time to buy for the long-term portfolio. Just I wanna mention that. So what can now, we talked about as how bad Tesla can continue to go 438 below, but what can make Tesla something again in a structure of strength? We have to hold at least 2 days from here at 438 and above. If Tesla can hold at least 2 next trading days above 438, there's a chance. There's a chance because nothing will change until we close above 458 though, the daily interval at least below before without breaking below 438 is what I'm saying. 438 to 439. All right. That's Tesla. Let's take a look at Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500, just continuing still in the weakness distribution phase still. Excuse me. Same with the S&P 500, still in the distribution phase and still in the weakness. So overnight sessions were looking strong, but by the time market opened, everything just fizzled down. And that's it for you guys in this video. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care, guys. Bye.